Get an outstanding 55-inch TV consisting of a plethora of exhilarating features at an affordable price. Are you looking for the best 55-inch TV which is available at affordable prices with overwhelming specs offering a great and enhanced user experience? If so, the top recommended 55-inch TVs include Hisense U8N, currently on sale for under $800. Meanwhile, the list of other great TVs with charming QLED displays includes Samsung QN90C, LG C3 OLED, LG G3 OLED, and more, which are briefly discussed below along with many intriguing features. Best 55-inch TVs to buy in 2024. Hisense U8N ULED TV. If you are looking for an ordinary 55-inch TV, it offers the latest Hisense U8N screen with integrated mini LED backlighting for enhanced contrast and high peak brightness in contrast to the predecessors. It also supports a Google TV smartphone which dominates all across the board. LG C3 OLED. Another substantial option for a 55-inch LED TV is the LG C3. It's an OLED TV which is available for under $2,000. It also delivers the inky black levels which are under hot water nowadays, available in 56.7 x 32.5 x 1.8 inches and weighing 32.6 pounds, offering superb color contrast and enhanced interface, and consists of many more compelling features. Roku Plus series. If you are looking for an outstanding 55-inch TV at an affordable price under $500, then the Roku Plus series is certainly a perfect fit, offering a plethora of screen and content for its initial price of $499, offering a charming picture quality with vibrant colors and crisp audio. Samsung S90C OLED. Samsung S90C OLED arrives with the HDMI 2.1 port along with VRR, ALLM, offering up to 144 Hz refresh rate, available in 57.0 x 33.1 x 3.5 inches, weighing 46.5 pounds, with excellent gaming features, making it the best fit for gaming enthusiasts.